Okay, greetings, welcome back to the channel, guys. So this video, it is a tutorial on how to check your hybrid ventilation fan, whether it needs to be clean or not. So this is a simple guide. So first thing first, what you need to do is remove the seats, right? So how to remove the seats, I will show you very easy. You have to remove the standing seat first, right? So the standing seat, there is only one screw here. Okay, once you remove that, this particular seat can be tilted out this way and pull it out from this latch. Okay, so it will come out from this latch. Then same goes to that seat. That seat, push out this way and pull. Okay, so it will come out from that latch, right? So for the base seat, you have to remove two screws size 12, one here and one there size 12, and then there is a clip. You just put your hand, pull the seat up, put your hand here, pull the seat up, the base seat will come out. Okay, and remember there is a safety harness which you need to remove it. So you just take your key, put it in, and the safety harness, safety belt will come out here, right? Then coming to the hybrid system itself, you have to remove these two clips. This is very easy. Just get a test pen, okay, likewise pull it out. So you got one more down, pull it out and take it out. Okay, you need not to disconnect anything yet, right? Why am I taking this out? Why am I taking the clip? Because I need to inspect the fan. Then you undo two screws, one and one more inside here. Okay, so now once you undo this, cover can be left up. Okay, remember this whole thing is one piece. This whole thing is one piece. So just gently take out the rubber. Okay, in this case I have put the protective sticker here, right? And just lift this thing up a bit. Okay, the objective is we want to inspect the fan if it's dirty or not. We are not going to open up the whole thing. Okay, so now this thing can be removed. Not removed, just open up this way. Okay, so the next thing is to remove the duct, the air duct here. So just turn this gently, until it comes out. Once it is out, gently pull this thing out. Okay, so this duct, air duct will come out. This is the air duct. Okay, so now from here you may inspect the blower and see whether it is dirty or not. So let's have a look. So for this case, it is a 2018 model. Okay, so from the observation, as you can see, let me just put a torchlight here. You can see the blower is not dirty. Okay, it is not dirty. It's not that dirty. There's no accumulated dust on the blower. However, if you wish to clean, you may simply use a brush and just fan this thing off, and then the dust will fall inside here. Just use a vacuum cleaner to suck out the dust. This is an easy method rather than dismantling the whole unit, okay, and interfering with the hybrid. So we do not want that. So this is the way. So in my case, I'm just taking a brush and just roughly just cleaning it up like this, right? You can see the dust coming out, so you can use the brush to basically loosen up all the debris, and later use a vacuum cleaner to vacuum all the debris which will be collected at the bottom of the blower assembly cover. So using a vacuum, there you go, good as new.